Hello friends, my name is Prahlad Pandey and today I would like to talk about problem solving very briefly. We all face problems and we all try to solve the problems in the best possible manner. But sometimes instead of problems getting solved, it becomes more severe. One such example comes from British rule of colonial India. In Delhi, there were many cobra snakes and the government was concerned about the presence of these snakes near the bungalows of British officials. So it started a scheme. The scheme was that if people kill cobra, present it to the government, they can claim a reward. Initially, people started killing cobras and the population of cobras seemed to be decreasing. But as there were less number of cobras, some enterprising people started breeding cobra. Now they would breed cobra, kill them and then present it to the government. After some time, government got to know about this happening, this kind of fraud, then government stopped this scheme. Now all the enterprising people who had many cobras, they thought that these cobras were worthless and they released these cobras into the jungle. As a result, the population of cobras increased further. It was even more than it was before. So the intention was good, but the result is not as expected. So the problem became more severe, and this effect, when the problem instead of getting solved becomes more severe, unintentionally becomes a Cobra effect. This Cobra effect was experienced not only in India but also in Vietnam. In Vietnam there were many rats, and these rats were problem for the government, problem for the farming and agriculture. So government started a scheme that if people kill rats, then they will get a reward. But the question was how to know whether the rat was killed. So as an evidence, the tail of the rat was to be presented to claim the reward. People, instead of killing the rats, they just cut the tail of the rat and presented it to the government and claimed the reward. Now the tail-less rats, they went to the sewer and they produced more rats, and the problem of rats instead of getting solved became more severe. There were more and more rats in Vietnam. Finally, government stopped the scheme, and again the Cobra effect was experienced, was seen in Vietnam. The same effect was seen in United States, Georgia, when the pigs were problems there and government wanted to get rid of these pigs. So again, instead of the problem getting solved, this became more severe. The same thing was experienced in China and European Union and other parts of the country. But the important thing here is, when solving the problems in our organization, do we also experience Cobra effect? If we are not aware of this, we should always be mindful that if we are providing a solution, it might have an effect of Cobra. Cobra effect may be there. So in last 150-200 years, we have seen Cobra effect in different countries, different situations into practice. So be careful of Cobra effect when attempting a solution, because we may not get expected solution. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will keep on posting such videos in the future also.